Good morning, everyone. Welcome to VMware Nirman 2021. This year marks the third edition of this marquee event that aims to bring Indian technology community together to nurture inspiring leadership journeys for women technologists. To say this is a cause dear to my heart would be understating it. I started my career in technology 2 decades ago at a time when the gender gap was more pronounced and boardrooms were predominantly male. Fortunately, over the years, there has been an increasing awareness of importance of gender diverse workplaces. And the fact that we are here today to discuss not just building the inclusive workplaces, but also to commit to mentoring, nurturing diverse leadership pipelines is incredibly heartening. I've been with VMware for about 6 months now, and even in this short time, I have understood that this is an organization committed to driving positive transformation across the industry. We firmly believe in the power of human differences. Our commitment to diversity, equity, and inclusivity is fundamental to who we are and a significant contributor to our enduring innovative leadership. We are working to ensure that by 2030, we have 50% of the women across all roles, including senior leadership ones. And in this journey, India being the largest site globally, we believe India has a crucial role to play. Over the last few years, VMware India has been investing in a number of platforms and initiatives to empower women in technology. As we all know, we have more female STEM graduates in India than many developed nations, yet women comprise only 26% of the IT workforce. And this representation dwindles further as it moves up the ranks with just 11% representation of women in senior leadership roles. Clearly, as a nation, we have done a great job at getting girls into STEM education and into entry-level tech jobs than retaining them or helping them ascend the corporate ladder. This is a challenge we want to address because, as we all know by now, innovation is inextricably tied to diversity. If India is to establish its credential as a world's innovation hub, then it cannot afford to leave more than half of its workforce out of senior leadership roles. This is a challenge that all of us gathered here, representatives of the great Indian IT sector, have to work towards actively addressing. We aim to do just that with VMware Nirman. This is a unique platform that brings together all key stakeholders to collectively address the gender gap in the industry. Our aim is simple: to inspire and empower women in technology to not just reach the stars, but actually get them within their grasp. We envision this as a space for the industry to come together to learn, share best practices, discuss, and build a supportive ecosystem for driving tech-driven long-term change. Today, most organizations are committed to inculcating a diverse and inclusive work culture with several initiatives to attract and retain women. But it is equally important to provide women with mentorship and learning opportunities. Speaking from my own experience, I can say that engaging with and learning from industry experts and women leaders is not just inspiring, but also a great source of motivation and support. With Nirman, we hope to be able to provide mentorship, learning opportunities, and all the resources women need to flourish professionally and grow into leadership roles. We provide opportunities for women to learn technology skills that are in demand, network with peers and seniors, and hear from industry leaders, practitioners, and strategists, and also develop soft skills that are required to flourish in today's competitive business landscape. This conference is just a grand finale to the dialogue, the networking, and learning that has been going on under the Nirman platform for the whole year. This year's theme for VMware Nirman is leadership agility, and I can't think of a theme more apt for the times we find ourselves in. Leadership agility is the ability of the organization and its leaders to adapt to disruption and move forward with the team. As the last 18 months have shown, agility, foresightedness, and preparedness are the key to success in these disruptive times that we live in. We hope to be able to prepare our future generation of tech leaders for such challenges in the future and help them grow to be agile leaders. At this point, it is important to note that VMware Nirman is one of the key initiatives we are running to retain, support, and bring back women into the workforce. We launched VMware Inclusion Thara to address the challenge of women dropping out of the workforce at the mid-level mark to focus on their other priorities. They are usually unable to return to work when they're ready, as the rapid pace of technology evolution leaves their skills outdated. VMware Inclusion Thara addresses this very gap by providing free upskilling options for women on career breaks. I'm proud to say that till date, more than 14,000 women have already registered within the program, and many have successfully restarted their careers. We also have VM Inclusion Nakshatra, a 6 months paid returnship program for women to help them restart their careers. Through this program, we provide on-the-job training, mentorship, learning paths, and more. Again, many women have taken advantage of this program and have successfully restarted their careers. We support several other unique initiatives for gender diversity and equity in the workplace. VMware is the founder-level sponsor for Women Who Code, an international nonprofit organization that provides services for women pursuing technology careers and a job board for companies seeking coding professionals. We also have an inclusive leadership development program, a platform for holistic leadership skill development internally within the organization. As I stand here today addressing this unique conference, I feel the life has come full circle for me. I was once where you are, a woman in technology starting out on her career with aggressive ambitions and looking for some help and support on how to achieve them. I started my career in the US as a software developer, worked in different roles across the product development lifecycle. I was a middleware architect for quite a few years before I moved on to management and leadership roles. I've held various leadership roles focusing on business transformations through technology enablement, including digital transformation, SaaS transformations, as well as leading different technology transformations around data, cloud, AI and ML, API integration, app modernization, agile and DevOps, and many more. And today I have dual role. I have responsibilities as a CIO for APJ region, Asia Pacific and Japan region. And I also head engineering globally for the entire enterprise SaaS and transformation program. And I'm probably one of the very few leaders who are working out of India who has a global charter. My career would not have been what it is today without the support and the opportunities that I received from the organization that I worked for. I have been lucky to have been able to explore different roles and benefit from focused career development plans, coaching, mentorship, sponsorship, and networking opportunities. All these opportunities help me grow in my career and become a better leader. It is now time for me to pay it forward, and I truly believe VMware Nirman is the best platform to do that. VMware Nirman 2021 comes at the end of the year of programs focused on women across business lines. We have programs tailor-made for professionals across development, sales, and support services. The agenda for this year's conference has been carefully structured so you, all the attendees, can be inspired, learn from, and feel empowered to shape up your career and leadership aspirations. On behalf of VMware India, I thank you again for being part of Nirman community. I invite you all to make time to hear from our esteemed speakers, network with like-minded professionals, and also keep the conversation going by connecting at VMware Nirman portal. Enjoy the conference.